Hello everyone, my name is Pushkar Vishal. I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar, and I have completed my B.C.A from Mishra College of Business Management, Muzaffarpur, Bihar in the year 2023 with 75% aggregate. After completing my B.C.A, then I wanted to start my job in technical field. Then my brother suggested me about Evision Technoserve company. Then I was visited Evision Technoserve and contact Evision teams, and I'm taking all necessary information about on-job training. Then I know that Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consulting company. In Evision, I have joined online full-day job internships on 5th October 2024 under the guidance of IT manager and administrator. In Evision Technoserve, I have learned many modules like basic networking, virtualization, window administrator, CCNA, ITIL, network security, Windows Server, and cyber security. After that, I have selected a WIPRO company with a package of 2.4 LPA. I would like to thank all the Evision team, especially the trainer person Sanjeev sir and Apurvo sir, and my educators Sania ma'am and HR Priya ma'am, other faculty like Mishra, Sati ma'am, Ganesh sir to guide and cooperate me in each and every step through the whole journey with Evision. Thank you.